you're gonna end up in a Shakespeare play. You don't know when it's gonna happen, you don't know why it's gonna happen, but you'll find yourself wearing tights or a corset, or tights and a corset if you've got yourself a really good role.
And you will say things like, "You, Vivian, are too soft. Away, you 3-inch fool. A fox on your throat."
I feel this is the healthiest I've mentally been in a long time. Can I help you? I don't know you.
You first words and I to walk the night. Blah, blah, blah.
I know that. I don't want to hear it.
Revenge by foul and most unnatural murder.
Nope, not doing it. Me and Oscar are moving to Canada for a few hours here. We're gonna need a lot of therapy. Woo, England! Yachting! Huh, question. Can you get some additional soldiers, please?
Let's see that Lucius saw.
Me. My name's Dave. I signed up for the Army by mistake. I was hoping to have an administrative role. The most violent thing I've ever done is soccer, or in England, football.
Look at this.
Romeo and Juliet.
And what's underneath that? A tragedy. Both of our names are on display. That means we both died.
I will kill the playwright.
Roll, Romeo. You can't stab your way out of it. There's only one way out of this. Let's change our names.
The lady schmuck.
And Dave, you were saying how you were engaged to be married.
Actually, no worries.
Are you sure?
I just want to be friends. I'll text you later. Bye!
Hands up.
I love bears.
My chicken!